Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, my dear learning mates and my dear participants. Good day to all of you, respected audience. Welcome to the session. Are you ready? Well, then, let's get started. It's me, Sharifa Begum. I'm pretty well by the grace of Almighty. I hope all of you are well. In this paper, we are seeing through magic sound. What is magic sound? What is magic? It's a power. The power of apparently influencing the course of events by using mysterious or supernatural forces used in magic. Magic sound is a power by which we can will be able to learn 1,20,000 words easily. Basically, I want to say that if we know these three magic sounds, or if we are able to pronounce correctly through these three magic sounds, we'll be able to pronounce 1,20,000 sounds or words correctly. Hello, my dear respected audience. Welcome to the lesson of three magic sounds or ear pop sounds. In this pronunciation, I'm going to talk about what I like to call them the ear pop sounds. This group of sounds includes p, 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 p. P sounds is like that. P, 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 p. P, P, P. P, 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 p. P, p, p. In this sound, there comes ear. This is called ear pop sounds. P, P. When we pronounce this sound, we can get one kind of airy sound. P, P, P. P, 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 P. This P is represented by the letter P. P, P sound. P, 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 P. P sounds represented by the letter P. And then comes T. T. This group of sound includes T, 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 and T, 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 T. T sounds represented by the letter T, 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 T. And then comes the magic sound K, 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 K sounds. And these sounds includes K, K. K sounds is represented by the letter K. If we know these three sounds well, we'll be able to pronounce 1,20,000 words correctly. Suppose P for pod, p, p, pod, pen, pencil, pod, pop up, pot, pan, potato, and many other words. There are many words in this world which which is started uh, by the letter of P. P. And then comes T. By this letter, we can pronounce many words. The suppose tub, tub, tan, tubs, tan, temple, potato, tip, and many other words. There are many words in this world. And then comes K. By this word, we can pronounce many words, which is started from K word. K, key, kick, claim, and many other words. There are many words in these words. If you know these three words correctly, you'll be able to pronounce these words correctly. So, if you like this video, please subscribe and stay with me. That's all for today. I'll come back another video. I'll be able to come back inshallah with another lesson. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum